A watched pot never boils. Idiom. Imagine you are waiting for water to boil. You stare at the pot, hoping it will heat up faster, but it seems to take forever. There is where the idiom "a watched pot never boils" comes into play. It means that when you are anxiously waiting for something to happen, it feels like it's taking much longer. Examples: 1. Waiting for an email. If you keep refreshing your inbox, waiting for an important email, it might feel like it's taking forever to arrive. But if you distract yourself with another activity, you'll find that the email arrives much sooner than you expected. 2. Baking a cake. Standing by the oven and watching your cake bake can make the process seem endless. However, if you occupy yourself with another task, the baking time will pass more quickly. And here's a fun fact related to this idiom. The phrase "a watched pot never boils" has been around since at least the 18th century. It's a reflection of human nature and our impatience when it comes to waiting for things to happen. Interestingly, it's not just a human phenomenon. Animals too can exhibit impatience when anticipating something they want. Glad we could connect. Until later.